Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Shopify Meta homepage description. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over in here to your online store. Then from in there, you should be able to see this preferences right here. So under this preferences, you should be able to see in here the title and meta description. So let's first see what those meta description look like. So let's search in here for meta description. This is actually a really good one, since this actually looks like this. So as you can see right here, this actually looks like this, and this meta description knows or helps your website be discovered through SEO. So this informs and interests users with a short, relevant summary of what a particular page is about. So in here, let's put in here a homepage title. So for me, I'll just put in here the store, and I'll put in here home. And then once I have put in here a title, I just need to put in here a meta description. They have a limit of 320 characters. So for example, this is the homepage of the store. So of course, I want you to have a homepage meta description that is more creative than this. So for this one, once you're done with that, click on save. And then once you have saved that, this will actually looks like this. You will have this meta description right here when you see your homepage on your online store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.